It's a wild, wild bird in the wild. Oh my gosh, it's its brethren. They've come to meet at the Great Bird Summit. What will they do? I wonder. Oh, looks like they're communicating. I could tell I could tell who's the dunce and who's not. Look at that. See that one right there? This one right here? He's the dunce. The stupid among the smart. And it looks like the more dominant males are drinking from the better fountain and left the dunce to die. Here comes a car. Now, the dunce is looking around and notices the camera, but doesn't care and starts to scratch its behind. Here's the rest of the pack. And now the dunce is scratching himself, while all the other birds, the more experienced birds, flock around and be more intelligent than the dunce over here. The dunce wishes to be like these guys, but it's too much of an idiot to join them.
Feels good.